Wanna go out, Zeus? Oh, you do. Oh, it's not frozen. Wow. That is surprising. Ballet. Good morning, guys. My name's Alex, and welcome to my winter van life daily vlog. Time for lunch, and today I'm having beans, which have been soaking overnight. I think they're meant to soak a bit longer, but we'll see. I'm actually going to boil them, which I'm not sure you're meant to boil them. I think you just, I don't know what you're meant to do with them. I'm going to boil them and then fry them. So I've been having a little think about what's been going on with these vlogs so far, and obviously there's been a bit of snowboarding going on. And after these vlogs, as we get into February, I'm going to want to do some more snowboarding videos, but the issue I'm facing is the GoPro footage. I'm really not that happy with it. To get the frame rates and the field of view that I want, I'm having to use no stabilization. So I've been looking at GoPro Hero 7s, and I think I'm gonna have to buy one. Which also means that I can review the Hero 7 for its snowboarding capabilities, and obviously when we get into the summer, kite surfing. Is there anything specific you'd like me to test out on the Hero 7? Let me know in the comments. Oh, these have been boiling for ages. Like literally an hour and a half or something. They only just seem like getting a bit soft now though, so I think now I'm gonna, I don't know, if Marcela sees this, she's gonna be like, one more on. So now I think fry, yeah. Beans, turmeric, garlic, some, I don't know, Chinese spice. I think I'm just gonna mash them all up and make it like refried beans. Put them on a wrap. Well, it'll fill me up and it's not unhealthy. It's better. Okay, looking a little tired there. Heading up the mountain now to see Marcela at work. And I'm gonna take the doggies with me and her snowboard, so then we can ride back down. Time to go to the mountain. Oh, but first, I need to fix this. Bueno, chicos. Where is she? This way, Zeus. Zeus.
Try to stop this, postpone the heartache, but I bet your body disagree, cause you keep coming home to me. My eyes are glued to my phone, trying to read your signals, but you say you wanna be alone, but the pain in your body leaves me otherwise, and I can't keep feeling you alive, but I know, yeah I know, that the pain in your body bleeds on so high, and I can't keep trying to deny, but I know. You know, you just postpone the heartache, cause you're scared. You just delay the heartbreak, cause you can.
Hey. You snappy? You little snappy? Time for dinner for us guys.
No.
We're not eating. What? I'm starving. We're gonna eat some food, I'm sure. I'm gonna find some food here. Look, there's some beans cooking in that. You're eating now.
Yogurt.
Can I eat yogurt as well then?
No.
Why?
You wouldn't like it.
I can smell it. I like it. And then we're gonna watch a film. Mile 22. Don't know. Just gonna watch it. Anyway guys, see you on the next one. I know it looks bad with all the washing up, by the way, but it's really hard without any running water at the moment. I think I'll do a video on that actually, maybe in the next couple of days. Which also means that I can do a review on it. Which also means that I can do a review. Which also means that I can do a review. Which also means that I can do a review. which also means that I can review the Hero 7. Hi guys, thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please go over to my page and give me a like, and if you really liked it, then please share my content and leave me some comments. Nice one guys, I'll see you on the next one.